Hello friends, welcome to EduPoint Education channel. Today we are going to discuss about the work and time section of quantitative aptitude. So let us look at few examples and try to some different types of problems which will be asked in examination by using a basic concept which will be easy to remember, so you can attempt any type of question. So let us look at the first example. So here it is given as A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do the same work in 12 days. How long will they take to finish the work if they work together? So this is the basic level 1 problem. We can say it as easy. A and B. Just write A 10 days and B it is given as 12 days. Take LCM of both. LCM will be 60. 10 6 12 5. So the answer will be 60 LCM by sum of individual works of A and B. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 60 by 11 days is the answer. And also remember that 60 LCM is the total work to be completed, total work, and this 6 is A's 1 day work, and 5 is B's 1 day work, So let us assume that total 60 units to be completed, total 60 units. So A can do 6 units in 1 day and B can do 5 units in 1 day. So remember this concept, it will be useful in upcoming problems. So let us try second problem. So here it is given as if A can do a piece of work in 4 days and B can do the same work in 8 days and C can do the same work in 12 days, then working together how many days will they take to complete the work? So it's same as the first problem. Just write it as A, B and C, and A it is given as 4 days and B it is given as 8 days and here it is given as 12 days. Take LCM of these three. 4, 8, 12 is, for example, 24. 4 6, 8 3s and 12 2s. So the answer will be LCM 24 by 6 plus 3 plus 2, sum of individual works of A plus B plus C. So it will be 24 by 11 days. So 24 units to be completed in total. A can complete 6 units in 1 day and B can complete 3 units in 1 day and C can complete 2 units in 1 day. So both working together they can complete 24 by 11 days. So third example, A can do a piece of work in 6 days and B can do the same in 12 days. Working together how long will they take to finish the work? A and B. 6 12. LCM is 12. 6 2s 12 ones. So answer will be 12 by sum of individual works, that is 3. 3 ones 3 fours is equal to 4 days. So this is the type 1 problem. We can label it as level 1. So let us come to the fourth question. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days and A alone can do it in 18 days. And how many days can B alone can do it? So here we have to find out the B's single days of work. So write it as A and B. A is given as 18 days and B we should find out. Let us assume it as X and take LCM of both. 18 into X is 18X, 18X, X 18. So both can complete the work in LCM 18X by sum of individual works X plus 18. So here already it is given in the question that A and B together can do the work in 12 days. So this equals to 12 and take and cross multiply it, 12x plus 12 18 is 216. So 18x minus 12x, 6x is equal to 216. X is equal to 6163. Okay, x is equal to 36. We got x is equal to 36. X is nothing but B's days. So B can complete the work in 36 days. In this way we can find out anything that is missing in the question, whether it may be A or B or A plus B working together. So let us look at the fifth example. So here it is given that A and B can do a job in 3 days. A and B both can do a job in 3 days. B and C can do the same job in 9 days. While C and A can do it in 12 days. Find the time in which A, B, C working together can finish the work. So write it here, instead of A, write it as A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. Why? Because here it's given as A and B, B and C, and C and A. So A and B is given as 3 days, and it is here 9 days and 12. Take LCM of these three. LCM will be 36. So 3 12s, 9 4s, and 12 3s. So the answer will be LCM 36 by sum of individual works of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. But here additionally we have to multiply the answer by 2. Why? Because in previous problem we did A, B, C, A plus B plus C. So here instead of A plus B plus C we have A plus B, B plus C, and C plus A. While adding these three numbers we get A twice and B twice and C twice. So eventually it becomes A 2 into A plus B plus C. So that is the reason for multiplying with 2. So here answer will be 72 by 19 days. So remember, whenever it's given as A and B, B and C, C and A, we have to multiply the answer by 2. So let us look at the sixth example. A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B can do it in 6 days. B work rated for 4 days, and how long will A take to finish the remaining work? So here in this type of questions, like A left the job, B left the job after 2 days, and how many days after A left the work. So these type of questions we have to divide the solution into parts. So here first part will be basic stuff which is done before A, B. A is 10 days, B is 6 days. Take LCM of both. LCM will be 30. 10 3s, 6 5s. So this is the first part of the solution, and we have seen before is 30 is the total work to be completed. So total 30 units to be completed in the work, and A can do 3 units in the work and B can do 5 units in 1 day. So this is the first part, and second part is given as B work rated for 4 days. So B work rated for 4 days. So we know that B can do 5 units in 1 day. 5 units for 4 days, and completed how many units? 20 units he has completed the work. So out of total 30 units, B completed 20 units. So remaining units are 10 units. 10 units. So A can complete the remaining 10 units in how many days? So A can do 3 units in 1 day. So 10 by 3. 10 units by 3 is equal to 10 by 3 days is the answer. So here first part is basic stuff, second is solving the hint given in the question, and third is finding the answer. So let us look into the example, seventh example. Ajay can do a piece of work in 25 days and Suresh can finish it in 20 days. They work together for 5 days and then Ajay goes away. In how many days will Suresh finish the remaining work? So here Ajay and Suresh. So first part of the solution, Ajay is given as 25 days and Suresh is given as 20 days. So take LCM of both. LCM will be 100. 25 4s, 25. So this is the first part of the question, and total 100 units to be completed. 100 units, and A can do 4 units in 1 day, and Ajay can do 4 units on 1 day, and Suresh can do 5 units in 1 day. So second part of the question is they work together for 5 days and then Ajay goes away. So here they work together for 5 days. So Ajay and Suresh both worked for 5 days. So Ajay can do how many units? 4 units in 1 day, plus Suresh can do 5 units in 1 day. So 4 plus 5 working for 5 days. So 9 5s 45 units. So both Ajay and Suresh completed 45 units by working for 5 days. And now coming to the third part, see here Ajay left the job, so now remaining is Suresh. So total 100 units to be completed and 45 is completed by both Ajay and Suresh. Now remaining are 100 minus 45 is 55 units. So Suresh can complete the 55 units in how many days? So we know that Suresh can do 5 units in 1 day. So 55 units will be completed in 55 by 5, that is 11 days. So here first part is basic stuff, second is finding the hint in the question, and third is solving the required question. So this is the end of the video, friends. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and tap on bell icon for further updates. So thank you friends.